Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best countertop dishwashers that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Black Plus Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher. The affordable price tag of this Black Plus Decker mini dishwasher combined with its stylish look and high-end features made it a shoe-in for our best value pick. At 21.5 inches wide, it claims to hold 6 place settings and dinner plates up to 10 inches in diameter. There are 7 wash programs from intensive to rapid to rinse only, and even a 24-hour delay start option for you to load it up and run the cycle at a time when you're not using the kitchen. The detergent and rinse aid dispensers look and work just like those of full-size models, and the child lock assures that little fingers can't accidentally start it. Though it is the largest dishwasher of our picks, with its curved stainless steel handle that can likely hold a dish towel and black glass window, it can blend seamlessly with the other appliances in your kitchen. Moving on, at number 4, we have Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher. If you don't like the idea of permanently giving up precious counter space for a portable dishwasher, this mini machine from Farberware could be a great option. At just over 18 inches wide, it has the smallest footprint of our picks, and with its rounded corners and lightweight could just be portable and easy enough to move out of way when you don't need or want it out. Keep in mind that it claims to accommodate only 2 place settings, so it's best for just 1 or 2 users. But what it lacks in size it makes up for in features. There are 5 wash programs, including one with a high-temperature sanitizing rinse, LED touch controls, a see-through door window, a child lock on the controls, and a delay start option. A small fold-down shelf holds flatware and cutlery instead of the regular basket. At number 3, we have Farberware FDW06abbwha Professional Countertop Dishwasher. The Farberware Professional FDW06abbwha Countertop Dishwasher is our pick for the best countertop dishwasher to splurge on because of its organization and ease of cleaning. This countertop dishwasher measures 19.7 inches deep, 21.7 inches long, and 17.2 inches high. We love the organization of this dishwasher as well. It features a folding rack shelf for cups or bowls and a basket for cutlery. The organization makes it easy to utilize as much space as possible. This Farberware countertop dishwasher has 7 wash programs, allowing for a variety of clean. The rapid wash gets your dishes done quickly, and you also have the choice of using the intensive, normal, or glass function for varied levels of residue. At number 2, we have Farberware FDW05abbwha Complete Countertop Dishwasher. If you're looking for the best countertop dishwasher for a small space, the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher is our pick. Measuring in at 17 inches deep, 16 inches long, and 17 inches tall, this model is perfect for small kitchens with limited space. Though compact, this dishwasher has 5 settings that make it the ideal countertop companion. Along with normal, rapid, and glassware settings, this Farberware model also has a fruit wash setting and a baby care setting, so it's possible to wash more than just your dishes. The baby care style uses steam that sanitizes the baby bottles. It also has automatic air circulation and dries your dishes after washing. Keep in mind that it does not, however, come with the adapter. And finally, at number 1, Novit Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Clocking in at just 17 inches by 17 inches by 18 inches, the Novit Portable Countertop Dishwasher may be small, but it still manages to hold 4 place settings. It's ideal for a small family of 3 to 4, even despite its size. While it is still capable of being hooked up to your kitchen faucet, it also has a water tank that holds 5 liters of water, which makes it possible to use anywhere. It's perfect for people who are on the go in a van or RV. This compact dishwasher has 5 settings to choose from. There's a setting for a normal soil level, a speed setting for a quick wash. It only takes 29 minutes. A soft setting for your more fragile glasses and plates, and even a fruit washing setting. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.